electron pair bonding units. The program carries out the determination of natural atomic orbitals, NAOs, natural hybrid orbitals, NHOs, natural bond orbitals, NBOs, and natural localized molecular orbitals, NLMOs, and uses these to perform natural population analysis, NPA, NBO energetic deletions analysis, and other tasks pertaining to localized analysis of wave function properties, including natural resonance theory, NRT, and natural chemical shielding, NCS analysis. About NBOs. Natural bond orbitals are localized few center orbitals, few meaning typically one or two but occasionally more, that describe the Lewis-like molecular bonding pattern of electron pairs or of individual electrons in the open shell case in optimally compact form. More precisely, NBOs are an orthonormal set of localized maximum occupancy orbitals whose leading n/2 members or n members in the open shell case give the most accurate possible Lewis-like description of the total n electron density. More about NBOs. Neither the form of the bonding hybrids nor the locations of localized bonds and lone pairs are predetermined. Rather, the NBO program searches over all possible ways of drawing the bonds and lone pairs for the variationally optimal bonding pattern that places maximum occupancy, highest percentage of the total electron density, in the leading n/2 Lewis-type NBOs. So the natural bond orbital analysis. Generally, there is just one cycle when it comes to searching for the analysis of a certain NBO. A table appears once a compound is searched, so example methylamine, and it has a variety of information for each cycle. The occupancy threshold for a good pair in the NBO search, the total populations of Lewis and non-Lewis NBOs, the number of core CR, 2-center bond BD, the 3-center bond 3C and lone pair LP NBOs in the natural Lewis structure, and the number of low occupancy Lewis and high occupancy non-Lewis orbitals. The Lewis structure is accepted if all orbitals of the formal Lewis structure exceed the occupancy threshold. Continued. Next follows a more detailed breakdown of the Lewis and non-Lewis occupancies into core, valence, and Rydberg shell contributions. This shows the general quality of the natural Lewis structure description in terms of the percentage of the total electron density. After this, the table with the main listings of the NBO will come up, displaying the forms and occupancy of the complete set. An example of what the table could look like is on the next slide. That's it.